Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a TST test token from the Binance with my customer Kasab. What's going on now? First of all guys, I made a post already in the Telegram channel and in Twitter. I don't think so it's a test token because just simple explanation. If it's a test token, and they just by legend, they made a video, educational video, they posted and by that ticker, some group of people start pumping. Even it's a test token from your video. Why you even list it? Why? So it's a test token. So you showed the ticker in video, forgot about it. So people can trade it, they can do whatever they want. But after that, the CZ, start post like, not a complaint, but why the Binance did wrong, why they list the token, because the people could trade this token on the DEXs and accumulate on the DEXs, then after listing distribute on the Binance. Come on, we all understand, right? So the Binance also got a lot of wallets, I think, and distribute some tokens. It's not everything so simple, I think. Of course, it can be so simple. It can be just random. Yes, maybe random, maybe not. We can't know in a moment. I think it's not random. I think everything is planned. And I don't see any reason if it's a test token, why you list it? Why you list it? Because money over everything, right? Take a look. This is how the chart of their own test token looks on a Binance after listing. So why you list the token and the people dump on your platform, your test token 73% down. What's the point? What's the point? What's the difference between the test token and other token? All right, so this is by the way, this token listed on Max a few days before. So this is February 6th, and on the Binance, I guess it listed 3 days after, right? So people could even accumulate it on the Max at 0.2073, 0.2086, and after that dump at 52 cents on a Binance. It's kind of weird. So like accidentally pumped the token 6,000% gains. And after that, they distribute their backs also. Anyway, we can't know the facts now, so we will work only with the theory. So the next step, and just a technical side, because basically no makes sense even analyze the fundamental of this token if it's just a test token. What the fundamental can be behind it? So this is weekly, not a weekly, no, it's daily gap. So it starts at 9. There is no initiation accumulation pump model for this token. So this is a 9.1056, 7.71, 6.43, and full fill on daily it's 3.30. So if they will dump the price, the market makers and the big players who own the big allocation with the different wallets, if they will dump the token more, this can be the correction to 60% more from this current prices, even a little bit more, like this one, 61% down. It can be from this current prices, and 80% down from this current prices if we go to the full fill. Of course, any single token can drop even lower, even under this low of February 7 on Max, but at least this is the first trouble area. Trouble area, it means most likely the place where we will see some logical buyers limit orders. Got it. So take a look how the 12 time frame looks like. So yes, the same story. So it can be the full fill at 4.1078. But I think the test token was like a move to bring attention to the BNB chain. For me, it's like one explanation, because people trade a Sol, people trade like on the pump fund, but if you've been here on the market in 2020, 2021, you remember that the most hyped token was on the BNB chain because small commission, small fee for trades, right? And on Ethereum. After that, everybody started trading the Sol meme tokens. So I think it's like a good move, marketing move, for bring back attention to the BNB chain, right? And also they will post at the BNB chain the upgrades, updates, and all of that stuff. And unfortunately, guys, yes, let's be real, the meme tokens, it's one of the most powerful instrument now to bring back attention to the tokens, to the chain, right? So this is how the 4-hour time frame looks like. Anyway, I don't think so. The 52 cents, it's a highest point for the token. I think we will see something like this one. I think yes, it's possible to see the $1 or even more for TST at the top of Ethereum. Take a look with my customer said. What's going on now? So this is still distribution on 4-hour time frame. That's why yes, we can drop lower. Unfortunately, this is a still market mode Ethereum, so yes, we can drop lower. Direction at least go into the bottom, and sooner or later we will see the bounce. But of course, we can't know who accumulated before, before the Binance listing. We can't know, because it can be the group of people with the different wallets. So we can work only with that data, what we get now. On 1-hour time frame, yes, after Ethereum, after 55, 52, 53 cents, we dump it to capitulation. So this is disbelief, capitulation zone. And yes, I think yes, we will see the hype about BNB chain, Ethereum chain, maybe Tron once again, meme tokens, I think. Maybe on a ton. I think it's not an end of era of meme sector. No. Money power. Here was a money outflow. Money outflow on 4-hour time frame. 1, 2. 2 candles in a row. We dump it to the bottom, but without a money inflow. 12 time frame, no data. 1-hour time frame, here. This was a money outflow. Pump. Every side there is divergency. Money inflow. Now we saw only the MACD bullish divergency and no money inflow. I will skip this token anyway. Trade on, sell, and buy back, all of that buyback. Sell, yes, strong signal to sell was after listing, exactly. Nice one. Nice listing, right? Take profit. So the conclusion is, I think we will drop much lower to this area. If not, of course, we can leave the this liquidity like 14 cents and go higher to the next step. But anyway, sooner or later, guys, I think we will drop back to 3 cents to 7 cents. It's just a matter of time. 4 time frame, no data here. This is a support what we can see locally. It's a buy line. It's 1377. Fundamental value of the token 10 cents, 28. But what fundamental value can be in a test token, right? Here's the buy line on 15-minute time frame. It's 11.25. Fundamental value, it's 8 cents, 30. So I think would be good to see the liquidity out from this token again, form something like this one, and go higher, because we leave the also the liquidity order flow, and sooner or later we will bounce back to the next step. Also, I don't think so the Binance list this token, and after a few months will delist it. It will be pure crime. All right, so now it looks like this one. So this is a zone of interest. If you want to speculate with this, I don't know, it's meme token or it's what is it? What is sector is it? I guess it's meme token on BNB. This is zone of interest if you want to accumulate and trade, speculate with that as. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about this token. It's the Binance list this token accidentally, or it's a planet. If you would like to trade with my customer I will show it in this video, just write Maria, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.